There we go.
Your video.
Okay, so now you're gonna scoop.
You're going to grab as
Scoop
much
him up.
hay as you can with your hand too, and put him into the
Gently
bucket.
into the bucket.
I will pull the this stuff out of the way for you.
Okay.
He's kind of in the corner too. Take as much hay as you can underneath him as possible. Yeah, he's going to try to climb on you, but try to do the hay.
Yeah, and don't jump and scream.
Yeah,
Yes,
that would
ma'am.
be me.
How did he end up in the bag of hay?
Hang on. Oh, he thinks you're feeding him.
Hold on. Let me use the bag to.
Okay,
put
okay,
them over.
all right. Oh, he's so sad.
Hey, buddy.
The trauma.
Yeah, it is a trauma, I can imagine. Can you imagine if you were this big? And... Come on, Sissy, I'll pick him up by his leg. Oh, he's so sad.
Thanks, buddy.
What kind of bird is he?
Barn swallow, right?
He's a bit big.
Look how big
Yeah.
his legs are.
You getting all this, Carol?
Mm-hmm.
Is he still on his back, though?
No,
Oh, okay, good. I
Now
wonder if
he's-
that's what they do.
he's
when
got
they-
his mouth open like feed
Yeah,
me,
he
mommy.
thinks he's being fed. Ramshackle ladder. I have it. Don't worry.
Thanks.
Shit. I know, it's very ramshackle. It's making me a tad nervous. If it slides, though, it will hit the wall.
Awesome.
Come on.
The buzzer tried to throw the monkey off his back, but the monkey grabbed his neck and said, "Now listen,
Okay, just drop
Jack,
it. Just drop it.
straighten up and fly right. Straighten
Okay,
up
don't
and
worry. Don't
stay
worry about
right.
him. I got the bucket.
Straighten up and fly right.